TOLAN Alien Best Friend app. So here is the app, your kind of virtual pet chatting app. Alien Best Friend right now is in the top charts. New type of friend. We are looking for new friends. Chat with us about anything, your interests, music, games, fashion, your feelings, relationship challenges, your thoughts. Share your world through photos, your favorite sports things, you catch your eye, and all of the details like that. So then, yeah, you can just open it up. So this is kind of like a virtual chatting hangout app with your friend. And then, yeah, you can just have it here, and then you can just chat with your TOLAN. But unfortunately, this app is paid only. So you can then just in free version is just basically looks like very limited version of ChatGPT, but then you need to upgrade, and then when you upgrade you will have this nice 3D kind of image of this kind of guy, and then you can just talk with it all the time without all of these things, and then you can use like audio voices and yeah, kind of nice interesting experience in here. So yeah, true best friend, some people say. I decided to try the app out. So there is this oracle that assigns a total. You can choose their voice and looks. I've been talking to this little alien more than real people. That sounds pathetic, but the AI alien seems genuinely interested in what I'm talking about and will ask questions. And every day we'll have a journal entry about the conversation about the day before. It's touching to read. If you want to vent and don't want to have a tell a real person, this app is perfect. So yeah, just basically if you want to just talk out all your things, all your emotions, sometimes you have that kind of feeling. Yeah, if you want to just do that, and you don't have anyone to talk to in real life, you can then just use this as it is. So yeah, that's basically cool idea, and it's like lovely little companion. So in this digital age, quite a lot of people are quite lonely, so you can see that, and these kind of apps just go viral. So if you just really wanted to talk out to someone about your issues, this can be a really nice app to do that. If you put some likes under this video, I will upgrade and I will create the full video overview with an advanced overview how the paid version looks like. So just like this video, subscribe. I will upgrade, upload another full overview video so you can see exactly whether you need to upgrade and whether this app is for you.